How to delete Instagram account permanently? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on a device. Log into your particular account and you need to grant permissions to Instagram. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap search bar and type in deactivation or delete and you'll see the option. Select it. To delete your account permanently, tap on your Instagram account first. Choose delete account and tap continue button. Here you need to choose the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Scroll down, tap continue button. Now tap continue and re-enter your password to continue. Now if you are sure that you want to permanently delete your Instagram account, tap delete account and your account's details and your profile will be deleted on January 12, 2025. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.